turn signal on, no warning. Well, I have to because I had to get over because somebody's clobbered up there laying on the road or something. Got no clue. Getting off the things and this and that. I'm filming because I gotta account for my time. What the heck happened? Oh, there's a wheel and everything laying there. Holy shit. Man. Oh, wow. Well, that's what you guys get. Man, I can't believe this. Thanks, you guys. Thanks, you guys. Wow, you see that truck smashed in 2 pieces? Wow. Oh, I didn't even film that because it was that bad. Ugh. Wow. Man, I wonder what happened there to cause that truck to get rear-ended like that. Wow.